Hey guys, welcome to Lognifts. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install the Facebook app on your iPhone. And without further ado, let's start right in. Now, to download and install the Facebook app on your iPhone, first open up your App Store on your iPhone, which is this one just above the settings. You can see it says the App Store. Tap over there, and when you land over here, you'll be first required to search for Facebook. And let's search for it. And you can see guys, there is the Facebook app available on the top of the screen. Click over there or tap over there, and you can see guys, there is currently the open button available for me because I have already downloaded and installed the Facebook app on my mobile. But if you have not downloaded it or the Facebook app, there will be the download button available for you, and after you tap over there, the Facebook application will be downloaded and installed on your iPhone. And guys, this is how you download and install the Facebook application on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.